Sino ka pinagkuhan?
Loli ko.
Ay, inay ko. Baka nga ni abot ang pakuhan. Okay? Hindi ko pa. Hanap buhay kita pa. Yan. Very good. We have here at the end.
Alright.
Ano na sa mga pinagkuhan ninyo mga patingkuhaan? Nabuot man? Baka man pinagparapang rambutan sa nanaman ninyo. Kamu na naman. Walang dahas, no? Wala naman.
Class president ninyo ng grade 6.
Class President no grade 6. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, wait lang. Ano batch mo? 2005. So sabi na mo, dalhin ninyo yung class president. Si Ate Christine, wala pa sa Mindarakan niya, isabi na. Sabi ka? Yung class president sa mismo yung tumakbo. Di na nakantay na dalhin. Andito na. Alright, we have here batch 82. Sino ang president? Yan, 2001 and 88 si Sir M. Laika, ikaw ang president or si Emily? Ay, Laika. Alright. Thank you so much. Actually, ang mananalo lang dyan, yung nagdala ng president, yung president hindi naman. Hindi na lang talaga kayo. Yung mananalo dyan, yung nagdala sa inyo.
Dito po sa ating mga senior citizens, mayroon pa rin po bang mahilig uminom ng beer? Okay. O, yung ating pinakabatang batch of graduates ng La Medalla Elementary School. O, ilan na po yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. O, sasampu pa lang po. Again, ang price mo is 1,000 pesos. Opo, sige. Thank you, sir. Sige po, kulang pa po. 24 po yan. Opo. Okay na? Ready na? Aba, ang mga cameramen. Ready? Okay, ready? Get set, go! Music. Ay, baka po nang natatapon ko. Pag may natatapon ko, disqualify lang po. Okay, walang natatapon. Okay. So, batch 2005. Mayor Peña. Okay, yung mga hindi sinalo, magkakaroon ng buwan ng buwan. Sa inyo na yan. You'll be receiving 1,000 pesos. Sa inyo na yan. Again. Re-request ko ang batch 88 ang katalo sa stage 4. Photo opportunity. Again, what else on the stage? Batch 88. Batch 88. Ay, sorry. Batch 2005. Batch 88. What else on stage? Okay. And advance Happy New Year. God bless us all.
Cabero, Honorable J.M. Grimaldo, City Councilor, Jocelyn Nueva, Secretaria, Jerry Villar, Barangay Kagawad, Mercy Palermo, San Antonio, Iriga City, Tao Cabarangao, and Kagawad, Vice Mayor, Honorable Edsel D. Taiwan. And for the consolation prizes, we have the following donors: Limpa Asco, Marinuel Castañeda, Cheryl Bigyan, Bethel Joy Santillas, Joy T. Orsena, Marjorie C. Castillo, Sir Noy Wasnon, Meden Ibareta, Batch 82, former Punong Barangay Esperanza ng Ramboyong Jr., Lizelle G. Nagatan, and last but not the least, Melanie Moke. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat po for all your generosity and contribution in today's event. Thank you so much po sa ating mga donors, in-kind and cash donations. Thank you once again.
Okay, ready na ba yung batch 1988 for the last game?
For the last game from batch 19. Susabing Arayupa Aranina. 1999, music please. Ano ang sayaw natin? Batch 1999? Budots din! Budots! Ay! Ayan, ang very competitive na batch pagdating sa parlor games. Di man lang magpapilit ang mga members. The consolation prizes. We will begin with the consolation. Number 6. Thank you so much for that cha-cha. Now this time we will be welcoming the batch 1988. Let's have the batch 1988 for their presentation. Na kung saan may nag-iisang flower among the thorns, my one and only Pops. Ay, meron pa. Ay, dalawa sila. Ayun. hindi pa
92 and others, hindi pa nagpe-present, magsabay-sabay na lang po tayo. Because, kanina may presentation. May presentation. Mamaya mayroon pang presentation. Mayroon tayong 4 set of presentation. Good luck to you. Sabay na po tayo para maganda. Grand hataw tayo ngayon. Please, may na po ako. According to the MC, last na po po si Bago. So, di kami na inform. Kita na po ang mag-last. As one. Musician. Ang i-play kong music, mga 80s. Secret kung anong title. Besar present na po. Wala. 1982. O may na po kamo. Pagkabit na kamo kasi bawal daw ang hindi mag-present kasi lalagyan ng ilaw. Diyan sa tent ninyo, bawal maglagay ng ilaw kapag may tao. Go! Gusto niyo? Kay next presentation. May na po. Bawal magtakot sa solo kapag may tao sa tent. Okay, good luck to you. Ang magbibigay ng prize kung sino ang pinakamahataw, 1988. Ito ay Trinity. Ayun, yung mga blue. Mayaman to eh. 1988, may request your present. Kayo ang magbibigay ng prize kung sino ang pinakahataw sa Grand Hataw. May na po. With Sir Ronnie Aguila. Bata, remix na po ito. Please prepare your prize.
Miss Princess V. Uyardo, a graduate of La Medalla Elementary School Batch 2008. Thank you so much to our dear alumni for joining our candle lighting ceremony, wherein our organizer talaga sinama ito as part of the segment ng ating alumni. It's because this symbolizes the friendship, the connection, and the unity of the alumni of La Medalla Elementary School. Maraming salamat po. Kindly tap the shoulder of your classmate and say, "You are my friend forever."
Okay, another consolation prize coming from Mr. Dante Oliva Jr. Okay, bubunot tayo ng 7 tickets. Nakabunot na tayo ng 7 tickets. Okay, once again, yung prize ko ay galing kay Mr. Dante Oliva Jr. Thank you so much po. And these are the lucky winners. First one is Mr. Alex Nohara from Tararayan, Naga City. Ang nalayo. Aside from Bulacan, this one is from Naga. Solicitor Alex Nohara. Nasa hindi. Congratulations. Ayan, this one ay maswerte. Brother-in-law ko ba? Okay, Mr. Henry Rosso. Asawa ng sister ko. Third lucky winner from the Trinidad, Iriga City, Norma Ramboyo. Solicitor Mag Medal Sapolo. And once again, our next lucky winner is Norma Ramboyo from the Trinidad, Iriga City. Congratulations po. Ayan, next winner ang lapit-lapit ng bahay. Kaharap ng kaya dyan? Okay, congratulations! Nancy Velasco. Ayan, isa sa mga Zumba Queens ng Namitalia, Iriga City. Okay, our next lucky winner is from Namitalia, Iriga City. No other than Medalla Blanco. Ayan, kilala ko po kung mga naisipan ng medal. So once again, congratulations to Medalla Blanco. Solicitor, sarili niya. Kasulat. Okay, our next lucky winner, ang swerte niya. Ayan, nabulot uli yung brother-in-law. Ayan, Mr. Henry Grosso from Ligao City. Siyempre, ang solicitor ako. Kasi ako yung nagbenta ng ticket. Hindi ako ang nagbulot nun, si Naiman ang salarin. Okay, next lucky winner is from Namidalia, Gino Claveria, solicitor, Evelyn Orbong. Okay, once again, our next lucky winner is Gino Orbong. Okay, Gino Claveria, solicitor, Mrs. Evelyn Orbong. Congratulations. Okay, meron pa ba tayong pang-consolation prize? Meron pa itong, yan, bukas magdalaman ng maaga. From Ma'am Liber Lorin. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, bubunot tayo ng 5 tickets. And may I request Ate Neden to pick 5 tickets. Alog-alogin natin para fair. Ayan. So habang binubunot ng dalawa, yung mga lucky winners natin, so may I acknowledge to all the batches na nandito po ngayon. Yung mga hindi na-recognize kanina, lumapit na po sa akin. So may lumapit po sa akin na hindi yata na-recognize yung batch o siguro nahuli. So may I acknowledge once again, batch 1968. Siguro dahil siya kanina pag-recognize kanina umaga. So once again, I would like to recognize batch 1968. Yung mga members na lumapit sa akin kanina, sila Manoy Kaimin Namoro and Mr. Lauro Vargas. Okay. Next winner is Chela Puri from San Antonio, Iriga City. So once again, congratulations to Chela Puri from San Antonio, Iriga City. So wala pong solicitor na nakalagay. Kung kilala niyo po, pwede i-play. So our next lucky winner is from Namidalia, Iriga City. The solicitor is Rosemary N. Alam pa ba yung N? Okay, our lucky winner is Andre Nacario. So once again, congratulations to Mr. Andre Nacario. The solicitor is Rosemary, siguro Nacario. Nandyan. Proud parent ng Namidalia Elementary School. Parent ko siya last year, diba? Grade 7 na yata yung anak natin. Okay, our next lucky winner is from La Purisima, Iriga City. Solicitor, Medalla Saco, medal. And our lucky winner is Luis Angelo Orbon. So once again, congratulations to Luis Angelo Orbon. Ayan, bukas magkabaga kung may makising ng maaga. And our next lucky winner, kanino na bunot na to ang swerte niya. Ang solicitor is si Marjorie Castillo. And our lucky winner is Mr. Joel Rances. Ang swerte niya, nabunot na to kanina. Siguro inubos yung 30 stocks. And our last lucky winner is ano to? Kumpare ko. Mr. Bernardo Llagas from batch 2000. Nandito yata yung ano niya, asawa. So congratulations once again, Mr. Bernardo Llagas of batch 2000. Okay, congratulations to all the winners. So mamaya meron pa tayong mga bigay ng prizes. And habang na-set pa sila ng kanilang music band, may I read the following donors. First one is Diana Rose P. Cabero, Honorable G.M. Grimaldo, City Councilor, Jocelyn Nueva Secretaria, Jerry Villar, Barangay Kagawad, Mercy Palermo, San Antonio University, Mr. Congratulations once again to batch 1996 and batch 2010. Okay, congratulations once again. Batch 2010 and batch 1996. Okay, congratulations. Okay, congratulations, batch 1992, best in 10. Ganda. Okay, next is another surprise award. Best number of participants, yung pinakamaraming number of attendees yung nag-attend dito sa second grad alumni group. So yung una, parehas sila 17 yung nag-attend. Pero sabi ni Ate Shi, para ma-verify, ma-confirm, tatawagin namin yung batch 1996 and batch 2010. So based on the registration, there are 17 attendees. Nasaan na yung batch 1996? Baka umumili naman. And batch 2010. pass. Okay, batch 1996 and 2010. Parang wala na yatang representative. Ay, dito. Kaso iisa na lang ang appreciation decision. Dapat ano, 17 participants. For decision. Nasaan yung batch 2010? Yan, para kung humingal na tayo yung batch 2010. The youngest batch. And pang-ano siya, pang-barangay na. Kasi malaki siya. So, ibibigay natin ito doon sa oldest participants na nandito po kanina. So, may I call on Manay Nate Castro Verde. And the other one is yung katabi na kanina, hindi ko alam yung first name niya. Pero yung surname niya is Pinares. Okay, may I call on Ma'am Liza Arroyo to receive the prize. Thank you so much and congratulations. And the other one is Manay Nati Castro Verde, ang aking ano yan, Daper teacher. Kasi noon may Daper tapos yung ang aking teacher. Okay, once again, congratulations to all the winners of the umbrella. Courtesy of LFES Alumni Association. Best in yan, yung pinaka-bonggang tent. So, the first one is batch 1999. Congratulations! Batch 1999. Isa sa mga pinakagandang tent. Oh, balus ka lang kasi box office na. Congratulations! Amo di so nagparapang bali-bali ng makakakay sa participants. Okay, and the other one is okay, last winner is batch 1992. Congratulations to batch 1992, best in 10. Congratulations. The prize is stand fan. Dina C. Didima. Okay, congratulations to manay natin. Pwede lang gamitin ka nanay. Okay, the generous donor from Diana Rose. Diana Rose Panday Cabero. Thank you so much, Diana. Okay. So hindi ko igigit na, hindi ko kaya ang one sack of rice. Hindi ko na Our fourth prize is 1 sack of rice. Sige, ikutin mo uli ang tambolo natin. Okay, our lucky winner is ayan from La Medalla, Iriga City, Solicitor Juliet Pantayan. Kilala ko to. The lucky winner is Jim Sacramento. Nandito yung sila si Jim. Nakita ko kanina. Okay, congratulations once again to Jim Sacramento. Nandito yung solicitor. Congratulations. Pwede na mag-sap na tulis ka. Nagpapag-ride. Yan ang problema tuloy si solicitor kung paano bubuhatin ang isang sack of rice. Okay, congratulations, Madam Juliet. Our next prize is third prize, Bluetooth speaker. And our lucky winner is tingin sa likod. Okay, our lucky winner is from La Medalla, Iriga City. Ayan, tagalayuan ito. Our lucky winner is Christine Saison. Ayan, with cellphone number 0910-9348-172. Once again, congratulations to Christine Saison. Pag-check na kung tama ang pagkabasa ko. Okay, congratulations once again to Christine Saison. The prize is Bluetooth speaker, courtesy of LMES Alumni Association. Okay, ikutin muli ang tambyolo for the second prize, washing machine, courtesy of LMES Alumni Association. Ayan, sino kaya ang nanalo? Ay, ang lapit dito sa overboard. Okay. Sino kaya yung nanalo? Walang cellphone number, walang solicitor, may address, may rumong pangalan. Our lucky winner is Nancy Tago. Congratulations. The prize is washing machine. Naglaban natin si Ate Nancy Tago. Dapat magmatay kang amay yan yung makapaglabatos. Okay, congratulations once again, Ate Nancy, the lucky winner for washing machine. Ang swerte ni Ate Nancy, pakita, paghihawak sa po ng cellphone natin. Okay, sino ba yung bubunod ng ating grand prize? Huwag na ako. Sina? Yung member ng ating music band from Legazpi. Hindi siya taga Medalla, from Legazpi. Para fair ang natin. Ikutin muna natin yung tambyolo. kapitbahay ni Mr. Sacramento yata ito ano. Malapit din sa bahay ni Manay Manu. May papasok doon sa looban. Yung papunta doon kila Manay Biring Rampoyo. Okay, our lucky winner is no other than Jessa Prima. Anong bus ito? Okay, congratulations to our grand prize winner, Android phone, Jessa Prima. Congratulations, nangyari. Okay, so congratulations to all the winners and of course to all the donors. Thank you so much. Okay, babalikan daw po ni Mrs. Saison yung Bluetooth speaker. Tsaka yung one sack of rice. Okay, meron pang isa. Kanino to? Okay. So, lahat na po, prices ay nabulong na, na-raffle na. Okay, once again, thank you so much to all the donors of the different prizes. And congratulations also to all the winners from grand prize hanggang sa consolation prizes. Okay, once again, thank you so much.